All right, our sixth project in Python Advanced Project series is creating a hotel management system. And how do we do that? Let's do Python program to solve the given question. Let's do create a class for hotel data first of all. That's what we're gonna do. So class hotel sort parameter equals name, and then define init self none self dot name equals this self dot room avl equals 0 self dot location equals this. Okay, let's delete this. I think something got triggered here. Sort 2007. Okay, it's giving us this error, so we're gonna write it all over again. None self dot name self dot room avl equals 0 self dot location equals this. All right. Self dot rating equals int self dot price equals price PR equals 0. Define LT self other get attribute self hotel dot sort param get attribute other hotel dot sort param. All right. Function to change sort parameter to name class method define sort by name cls dot sort param equals name. Now function to change sort parameter to rating. Now we need to do class method define sort by rate cls and now cls dot sort param equals rating and function to change sort parameter to room availability. Class method defines sort by room available cls dot sort parameter equals room avl define repression return PR hotels data and hotel name and T room available and T location, T rating. T is a tab used for spacing, rating, and now after that E price per room dot format self dot name self dot room AVL self dot location self dot rating self dot price PR. All right, now let's create class for user data. Class user define init self none self dot uname equals this self dot UID equals 0 self dot cost equals 0 define representing self str return username T user ID T booking cost this dot format self dot uname self dot UID self dot cost. Now print hotels data define print hotel data hotels for H in hotels print H sort hotels data by name define sort hotel by name hotels print sort by name and now hotel dot sort by name hotels dot sort print hotel data hotels print sort hotels by rating define sort hotel by rating hotels print sort by a rating hotel dot sort by rate hotels dot sort print hotel data hotels print And now print hotels for any city location. Define print hotel by city as hotels. Print hotels for location. Location R dot format as hotels by log equals H for H in hotels if H dot location equals S. Print hotel data hotels by log. Print sort hotels by room available. Define sort by room available hotels. Print sort by room available. Hotel dot sort by room available. Hotels dot sort. Print hotel data. Hotels. Print this. Print the user's data. Define print user data, username, user ID, booking cost, hotels, users equals this, access user data for I in range 3, u equals user, u dot uname equals username, u dot uid equals user ID. U dot cost equals booking cost. I users dot append u for I in range length users. Print users I T hotel name hotels I dot name and functions to solve hotel management problem. Define hotel management username, user ID, hotel name, booking cost, rooms, locations, ratings, prices, and now initialize arrays that stores hotel data and user data. Now hotels equals this. Create objects for hotel. Objects for hotel and user. Initialize the data. All right. Initialize the data for I in range 3. H equals hotel and H dot name equals hotel name. H dot room AVL rooms I. H dot location equals locations I. H dot rating equals ratings I. H dot price PR equals prices, and hotels dot append H print, and then all the various operations, print hotel data, hotels, sort hotel by name, hotels, sort hotel by rating, hotels, print hotel by city, let's say Samba, hotels sort by room available, hotels print user data, username, user ID, booking cost, hotels. Now driver code, if name equals main, initialize variables to stores, hotels to stores, hotels data and user data. Username equals U1, U2, U3. User ID equals 234. Hotel name equals H1, H2, H3. Booking cost equals 1,000, 1,200, 1,100. Rooms equals 4, 5, 6. Locations equals Islamabad, Karachi, Lahore. And ratings equals 5, 5, 3. Prices equals 100, 200, 100. Functions to perform operations, hotel management, username, user ID, hotel name, booking cost, rooms, locations, ratings, prices. All right, now let's save it and let's say hotel management system dot py, and let's run it. Wait, let me delete this one and now run this. And let's see if there are any errors. All right, so there is this error saying invalid syntax on line 148. Okay, so here is this comma issue. Now let's save it. It's saying 129, there is a sort total by rating is not defined. All right, let's have a look at it. All right, so it is showing us that there is an error of sort hotel by rating. So basically, we don't have a class of sort hotel by rating here. We called it, but we don't have a class. So we need to define the class first. So let's find this out. And here is the sort hotel by rating. Sort hotels by rating. So basically, we did create a sort hotels by rating class, but we ended up naming it as name. So this is the error. Now let's run the code again and again. So it is saying H for H in location 74. So 74 on 74, we don't have anything defined. It is saying hotels by log name H is not defined. All right, so we need to figure it out what the error is here. I mistakenly wrote it as in, it should be if. And now let's save it. Now run it. Okay, there is one more error. It's saying name user is not defined. Did you mean users? So let's go on line 93. So over here, it's saying u equals user. All right, so the error is that we have a class user, but it is, wait, let's find it out. It is inside, it is basically inside this hotel one. So this is the error. So all I need to do is I need to make it go outside user, define init, self, none, self dot uname equals this, self dot uid equals 0, self dot cost equals 0. So define represent self and str return username and booking cost dot format self dot uname self dot uid self dot cost, and yeah, that's it. So now let's save it and now run it. So now our code is running perfectly fine and you can have a look at it. Let's delete it and run it again. One more time just to see. Here it is. We have everything sorted out. So we're done with our this project 6. See you guys with another project in the next video.